Name is Aline Mata. I am the community engagement coordinator for Belchertown Overcoming Adversity together. And we do things in the community and the schools to help teach kids about substance prevention and community activities and mental health focus. I met Jake at a conference in Texas, the CADCA conference, and we also went to see his presentation in Connecticut. And so we wanted to welcome him here. Uh, Um, we had Jake and yourself here for the day and each different school. We had an elementary, middle, and high school. And he did a presentation for each one of the student groups, and it seemed to really go off without a hitch. I heard that, it was actually engaging for a presentation of that sort. And I heard that one of the teachers said, "Where do you find such good speakers?" So, yeah, we had some good feedback so far. Hope that the students can realize that it is actually possible to have fun without using substances, and that it doesn't make you uncool or, just the whole stigma that goes with it. We need to be free of that. And I hope that they really can embrace that lifestyle choice if it's something they want. It aligns because we aren't here to tell kids what to do. We're here to educate and offer perspective and opportunities to engage with the community. And I think that that's what 518 really is all about. I would say that it's such an important topic, but to have somebody be able to deliver it to kids in a non-threatening, fun way, it's totally worth it. I think parents, teachers, um, just everybody. I think everybody should hear it. It's been a pleasure working with you both, and we are very happy that it all worked out, and we would love to have you back again sometime in the future.